The SAT has gone digital, shorter, smarter, and adaptive. But what does that actually mean for you? In the next 6 minutes, I'll break down everything you need to know about the new digital SAT. No boring stuff, just the essentials to help you crush it. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more SAT prep videos. We post strategies, hacks, and practice tips to help you get into the school of your dreams. The SAT is a standardized test used for college admissions, mostly in the United States, but also accepted internationally. Nearly 2 million students take the SAT every year, usually in 11th or 12th grade. Scores range from 400 to 1600. Each section, reading and writing and math, is worth up to 800 points, measuring the core areas colleges want to see master. Colleges use SAT scores alongside your GPA, extracurriculars, essays, and recommendations. Even at test-optional schools, a strong score can help you stand out or qualify for scholarships. The digital SAT is now just over 2 hours long, 2 hours and 14 minutes to be exact. That's a big change from the old 3-hour paper test. You'll also get a 10-minute break in between sections. It's split into 2 main sections, reading and writing and math. Each section has 2 modules. And here's the twist. The test is adaptive. That means how you do in the first module determines the difficulty of the second. Do well early, and you'll face harder questions, but you'll also have the chance to score higher. Let's take a closer look into the reading and writing section. This section is 64 minutes total, split into 2 32-minute modules. You'll answer 54 multiple-choice questions. Instead of long passages like the old SAT, you'll now see shorter texts, sometimes just a paragraph, with 1 question each. That means you don't waste time reading long essays. The focus is on 4 skill areas: craft and structure, understanding word choice and tone, information and ideas, focusing on main ideas and evidence, standard English conventions, grammar and punctuation, and expression of ideas, writing with organization and clarity. For example, you might read a short passage about migration and be asked which sentence best supports the author's hypothesis. The key strategy for this section is to practice quick reading and spotting the main idea fast. Don't overthink. The questions are designed to test clarity, not trick you with obscure details. The math section is 70 minutes, split into 2 35-minute modules, with 44 questions total. You'll see a mix of multiple choice and student-produced responses, where you type in the answer instead of choosing from options. Topics include algebra, specifically linear equations and systems, problem solving and data analysis, such as ratios, percentages, and interpreting charts. Geometry will be included with questions over angles, area and volume, and a little trigonometry, only covering sine and cosine basics. An example of a question would be that you might be asked to solve for x in a linear equation, or interpret a scatterplot to determine correlation. The best part? You can use a calculator for the entire section. The digital test even has Desmos built in, so get comfortable with it before test day. Strategy tip: know your formulas, like the quadratic formula and area of a circle, but also practice using Desmos efficiently to save time. You do not want to be stuck learning the program while using it for the first time. Speaking of digital programming, the SAT is taken on the Bluebook app, which you can download to your laptop or tablet. The app has built-in tools like highlighting, answer elimination, and a timer. Use these features. They're designed to help you. Since scoring is on a 400 to 1,600 scale, with each section worth up to 800 points each, it is important to work on your skills for both subjects. Even though many colleges are test optional, some prestigious universities like Harvard, MIT, and Yale still require that applicants submit SAT scores. Regardless, a strong SAT score can boost your application and open doors to admissions, scholarships, or placement in honors programs, even if your GPA isn't perfect. In terms of scholarships, some require SAT scores, so skipping the test could mean missing out on financial aid and free money, easing your financial burden of getting a higher education. Okay, so how do you start preparing? Start practicing with official digital SAT tests in the Bluebook app. They're free and mimic the real test. When taking the practice test, focus on timing. The digital SAT is shorter, but pacing is still key. You need to strike a good balance between time spent on the two modules. Be sure to review mistakes carefully. Don't just check the right answer. Understand why you missed it. Build a routine of 20 to 30 minutes of practice daily is better than cramming once a week. Finally, you can use online resources, apps, or prep books, but stick to official College Board material for the most accurate practice. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more SAT prep videos. I'll be sharing study routines, practice hacks, and breakdowns of real SAT questions to help you level up your score. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.